Good morning, children. Last class you have seen about the new blue dress, the story of the new blue dress. Okay, have you understood the story? Just look into the lesson in your textbook about the new blue dress. So last class you have read the lesson, and what you have learned the Gates Avenue was a short and dirty street in Cleveland. Okay, and the inhabitants of that street were very poor, and they never tried to improve their living conditions, and they never tried to better the standard of living. So there was no tap water supply in Gates Avenue. There were no street lights. There was also no good pavement. And there was a little girl studying in a school in Gates Avenue. She used to wear the same dress during the spring, and because she had no other dress to wear, her parents were too poor to buy a pair of new dress to her. So one day the teacher told the little girl to clean her face, and the girl washed her face and cleaned and washed her face neatly and came to the class the next morning. Okay, and she looked more beautiful and tidier. The teacher was very pleased. She gave the girl a new blue dress, and her parents saw her in her new blue dress, and they were also highly pleased. So then the members of the family started keeping everything clean and tidy. They washed the floor, then they repaired the fence, they made a garden, and the neighbors who saw them also followed the same way. And the surroundings were kept very clean. Okay, and what how they, even the whole street then became, when the neighbors saw them doing and all that, so they also, the surroundings were kept clean. They painted their house, and after few days a young minister came to the that place, and he was just very he saw that way, and he, with his help, the Gates Avenue, they got a good payment. Then they got the tap water supply and also the street lights in the corner. So the minister was very kind, and he gave all this. So in the last class we have read the lesson completely, and I hope you all have read the lesson and understood the lesson very well. Okay, so we have also seen the meanings in the last class. So let us once again revise the meanings. I told you running water. Running water is the water which comes from the main supply when taps are turned on. So that was the running water, because they used to never have water. The running water also was there in the Gates Avenue. So how can you make a sentence with that? Gates Avenue people did not even have running water. Okay, now pavement. Pavement means a footpath where the people keep walking. So the pavement, like you can say, the pavement is very broad, the pavement is very narrow there. Okay, excitement, that means very strong feeling. So we can say we are filled with excitement to watch the match. Next, we are filled with excitement that the schools are reopening, like that. We are filled with excitement that we have got a vaccine for the COVID-19, like that. Next, amazed, that means filled with great wonder. I am amazed to visit you. Understood? Now, decent, that means respectable. When something which is respectable, we call it a decent. We are from a decent family. Okay, so next, community, people living in the same locality who are considered as a unit. So people of our community do good deeds, I can say that. Next, organize, to arrange, to make preparations. We organize the tour. Okay, we organize the function, we organize the program. Next, campaign. Campaigns means series of planned activities to do something. So they organize the campaigns for painting, so they organize the campaigns for helping the poor, like that. Okay, now you can see the comprehension questions. What are the questions, the textbook questions? What kind of street are Gates Avenue at the beginning of the story? So how was the Gates Avenue at the beginning of the story? Gates Avenue was a short street in the city of Cleveland. It was dirty and ugly at the beginning of the story. So how was the Gates Avenue? The houses were not painted and did not have running water. There were no street lights and no pavement. The railway track at the end of the street added noise and dirt to it. Okay, then what happened to it by the end of the story? By the end of the story, the Gates Avenue had a good pavement, street light on the corner, and running water facility. The houses were painted and the surroundings were clean. Then why do you think the teacher gave the blue dress to the little girl? The teacher observed the little girl wearing the same dirty dress throughout the winter as well as the spring. So she continued to wear the same dirty dress even after the teacher asked her to get it washed. The teacher understood that she had no other dress to wear. She took pity on the girl and gave her a new blue dress. So why do you think the teacher gave the blue dress to the little girl? Because she understood that she had no other dress to wear, so she took pity and gave her a new blue dress. What change did the new blue dress bring in the little girl's house? So, the little girl's house, the new blue dress, what happened? The mother also, it inspired the mother and the father. Mother started cleaning the house and laid a tablecloth on the kitchen table. Father repaired the fence and began to make a garden with the family members' help. How did the change in the little girl's house influence the neighbors? So, how did it influence the neighbors? The neighbors also began to paint the houses and keep them clean and tidy. Okay, on watching the changes in the little girl's house, the neighbors also began to paint her houses and keep them clean and tidy. So, these are the answers which I have discussed. Now, you have to write down these answers and send it to my WhatsApp number. This is your assignment for today. Thank you, children.